Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the activity log because that's where Facebook records what you watched. Tap the three-line menu on mobile or click your profile menu on desktop, then go to Settings and Privacy and open Settings. Once inside, open Activity Log and use the filter menu to choose Media or Video so only video entries appear. Doing this first saves time by excluding posts and comments. Make sure you see a chronological list before moving to deletion. Now you'll select the items to remove. Scroll or search within the filtered video list to locate entries, and tap the three-dot menu beside each video or use multi-select checkboxes where available. Once selected, choose Remove, Delete, or Clear Watch History depending on your interface. Facebook sometimes shows a batch delete option. Be deliberate. Deleting is irreversible for the selected items. Continue until the visible list reflects what you want gone. Then finish by confirming all deletions and then refresh the activity log to verify the history is cleared. If some entries persist, switch to desktop because the full manage options often appear there, and try the bulk clear watch history button. If still stuck, sign out and back in, update the app or clear the app cache. These steps fix syncing or display glitches. If problems continue, wait a few minutes and retry, since server-side updates can sometimes lag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.